Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set auto exposure shift on your Insta360 GO Ultra. If you slide from the right part of the screen towards the center, you'll open this menu. Now you can click on EV. EV is the auto exposure shift, which means that exposure will still be automatic, but will try to get a bit lower than it would typically. You can see I can set it to -3. Then it's still gonna be automatic, but it'll just try to be darker than the 0 value, right? I can set it to a higher value, then it's gonna try to get higher. And that's basically how you set it. If you want to see more exposure videos, because in manual mode you can also adjust the other things here, which are not exposure itself, but if you want to learn about it, you can watch a video on our channel on the manual mode on the camera, how to use the manual mode, and that will explain everything. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.